Hi and welcome to the channel. As you can see, I've sort of finished the scuttle now. I've increased the height of it, the profile across. I've increased the triangles on the side there. I'm hoping for maybe some sort of nice nameplate in there, or Phantom or something. Rounded off the corners on the scuttle. And if I come back here, we can start seeing the lines of the car. There we go. So, I started working along the doors. I've got some nice big chunky stainless steel hinges in there. The door shuts are still a bit wild at the minute, but I'm going to divide that up to the other end, so it'll be about half of that. Most notable thing is the rails along the top of the doors, which they sort of fell into place, to be honest. I think they're nice to be able to grab the door with, and it gives it a bit more of a race car look, so I'm going to stick with that at the minute. As we come round to the back body tub on the back, you can see it tapers in slightly and then curves round the back and returns flat. And we've just about managed to squeeze our petrol tank in there as well. Undecided on the petrol tank at the minute. I'm fancying some sort of rack on top for either a spare wheel, a toolbox, or, if I'm lucky enough, a big picnic basket full of food. We'll see. We'll have a look at the floor, because it's a good angle to have a look at the floor at, as you can see. The bracing bar across the door pillars is to take the rear seats. So as we move around, we notice that we've done the same this side, taking it round on the taper, but there's a fourth door in there. I was just going to have that as a panel, but I decided I would put fourth door in it. So we'll have a good look at the floor plan in here. I've tried to match as best I can to the original firewall, copy the original angle that the floor was at, so the pedals are correct. As we look back across the floor, it is pretty flat and level. I've gone in with some extra bracing on the door pillars, as you can see. Obviously the floor is still laid in there because everything is going to have to come out and be welded up. But as we look back now, we can see the jump-in style driver's door. I've been practicing the jumping in. Could be improved, but I'm sure by the time I need to, I'll be agile enough to get in there. So we're looking at this profile now. As I say, it's not bad. It's definitely looking a lot more like a car. It's definitely more the style that I was after. So, as always, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, and I will see you next time.